Welcome to Edge Tactical Systems. I'm Darren. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you Silat bone conditioning. I'm going to share with you my methodology of developing unbreakable bones. Okay, let's get right down into it, conditioning. Now remember, conditioning doesn't happen overnight. You want to take a crawl, walk, run approach to it. We start off light, medium, hard. Also, you want to set up a schedule. Every other day, let your bones have time to heal. If you have bruising, that's perfect. You just know that the tiny micro breaks are healing. So let's utilize our tools. We have the rattan stick and the coconut. We'll start off with the rattan stick first, and we'll start with our forearms and work our way down. So we're going to be working forearms, outer elbow, bottom of the elbow, and shins. Okay? So the way we work the forearms, you have three different methods. We have the tapping method, where you're just going to work on tapping up and down the arm. You can do this for 50 times per arm and then work on the other arm. Start off slow, work your way hard. You can also strike like this as well. Hand open, close. 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 All right? That's the first method, that tapping method. The second method will be the rolling method, and you're just going to roll the forearms out. You do as many as you can do. Don't kill yourself. So we have tapping, we have rolling, and then we have the raking, where you're going to rake. You can hold the stick in your arm here and just rake the arm. Hold the stick here and rake the arm. Okay? That's the forearms with the rattan stick. The elbows, you can do the same thing. Tapping. When we're striking with the elbows, our main strike points are the outer part of the elbow here and the bottom side of the elbow. So it'd be here or here. So when we're striking with this, we're just going to work on the same thing, tapping. Right? And then I work the other one. And then I can work here. Okay, so you, again, set out your reps and do it. You can rake it as well, but it doesn't work as good on the elbows. It's kind of difficult to do. So I would stick to the tapping. Makes more sense. So the shins, we work the tapping method. Then we go hard. Okay. Then we have the rolling method. That hurts. Feels so good. Okay, that's the rolling method. And then we have the raking method. Okay, that's the raking method. Next, we move to the coconut. Okay, coconuts are free. They're readily available if you live in subtropical areas, and they are amazing to train on. So, first thing we do, we'll start with the forearms. We come up high and go down low. High, low. Closing the fist upon impact. So we'll start off high. And we go to the other side. So that's the forearms. Do 10 to 15 times, 4 sets, okay? Then we go to the elbows. We'll work the outer part of the elbow first, here. So it'd be striking like such or like such. So we're here, start off slow. And we can work it a little bit harder. Okay, the breathing is in through the nose or out, in through the nose, out through the nose. So we're here. Okay, bottoms of the elbows. Position your coconut, palm to ear, come down. Little twisting motion at the end, or corkscrew motion. We go to the other side. Okay, so your three methods of coconut striking with the elbows. Now we go to the shins, my favorite. Okay, shins, we'll hold it with 2 hands, get a nice grip, and we'll, same thing, rep it out, 10 to 15 times, 4 sets. So we inhale, we go slow, and we go harder. And we go to the other side, slow. And we go harder. And that's how we do the shins. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and always remember, train hard and stay safe.